My name is Mark Camperell. I'm the founder and creative director at MPSE Audio. We're located in the San Francisco Bay Area. We have team members all over the United States and also some in Canada as well. First and foremost, I'm a sound designer and re-recording mixer. And then I also edit dialogue and master dialogue, and I'm WISE certified, and basically lead my team of soundies to try to make everybody's projects sound great. I've known about the Help Network since it started, mostly because I've known Chip Beeman and Julia Bianco for a very long time. Julia and I went to college together, and Chip and I have worked together professionally since 2004. So when they decided to start the Help Network, they called me up and told me about what they were trying to do, and I couldn't be more excited about the projects that they're doing as a company, but also the projects that they've also been bringing to MPSE Audio. Been very, very appreciative of everything that they've sent our way, and like I like to tell people, they've always got our backs. I've got to say, The Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom. I remember going back to Christmas in the 80s as a kid, getting a Nintendo and getting Super Mario Brothers and Legend of Zelda. Having a chance to work on that IP some 30 plus years later has really kind of been special, because it's not really something I ever saw myself doing as a kid. And then when I got to do it as an adult, it was really something neat. So that's got to be hands down my favorite so far. We've done feature films, we've done commercials, we've done sonic branding for television networks. And really every project kind of brings a different challenge, and the challenge is kind of what we like. It's like putting together a sonic puzzle. I have things that like I personally like to do, but from a team standpoint, we just love doing what we do and can't wait to dive into projects. Hone your craft as much as you can. You've got to, if you want to be a sound designer, you have to do sound design as much as you can. Whether that's, student films, low budget stuff, you just got to get out there and do it. From a business standpoint, you need to learn everything you can about running a business. It's not just a website and some graphics. It's organization, it's legal stuff. You want to make sure that you learn everything you can about operating a business before just diving in, because you'll find yourself underwater and out of control really quickly if you don't take the time to learn what you need to learn. Oh boy, well, that's an easy one. I spent the last 9 years working on the Flash television show, and I gotta say, super speed is really cool. The ability to get a lot of work done really fast, that would be a very, very, very nice thing to have on your side. So yeah, super speed. Thanks to the Help Network and Laura for bringing me on to talk about MPSE Audio and our relationship with Help Network. And we're looking forward to all the great things we get to do together in the future. Thank you.